Welcome to Daily Dose of Dividend. Today we're going to take a look at 3 undervalued dividend stocks. Let's not waste any time, let's get right into it. Number 3, Starbucks, with a market cap of 109 billion. Starbucks is quite undervalued as it seems right now. If you look to historical price to earnings, price to book, price to sales, and also future estimates of analysts, it's actually perfect 10 according to my scorecard. Especially strong is the return on capital and their strong earnings growth the last 5 years, and also their growth of their dividend by almost 16%. That's a very nice pay raise. If we take a look at Yahoo Finance on the stock price, we can see that the price is currently about $87, but the average price over 200 days is 108. So this might be a good time to add into a quality company like Starbucks for your dividend portfolio. Stock number 2 is T. Rowe Price Group, with a market cap of $33 billion. It's an asset management bank, and it has thrived now with the low interest rates, but has taken quite a beating after the rally, and is now seems like it's rebounding a bit, but it's still undervalued, and it's a very high quality company with also a perfect 10 on the scorecard, and it has absolutely zero debt, and I would say all the dividend metrics looks very good. High yield, low payout ratio, very nice growth rate, and 35 years of dividend growth. Very, very, very high quality. And if we take a look at the stock price, also here we can see it's at about 155 with an average 200-day price of about 189. So also looks very undervalued, and high quality company. So have an eye on this one for your dividend portfolio. And number 3 is the world's largest home improvement company, Home Depot, of a massive $330 billion market cap. And we can see it had, of course, a really good run during Rona, with a lot of home improvement being done. But the stock price has come down quite a bit and is now a bit undervalued according to the Guru Focus valuation graph. It's also a perfect 10, so yeah, very high return on capital, 34.8%. I would say a good return on investment capital is above 12%, so this is really high up there. Also, dividend, very nice, especially the growth rate of 18% is absolutely massive. And still the payout ratio is only 44%, so there's still room to grow the company and room to grow the dividend. And if we take a look at Home Depot's price, we can see that it actually is also a bit under its 200-day moving average, with the price now at $306, but the average price over 200 days is $350. Those were the 3 stocks for today. Hope you enjoy the video, and see you next time, guys. Bye.